We are here in Fishtown section, Northern Liberties section. Got a charter school. We're going to replace that container that had an auto accident. And we have the facilities guy coming to give us a new one. And I'm going to fill it back up. It's late February. So there's no plants out really, so we got to wait a little bit. And we're going to be cleaning up the rest of these today as well. And there's some more around the other side. So we'll see how we make out. It's cold out today, probably upper 20s. There it is. So we did a transfer. It's actually smaller than the other ones, I think, or maybe the same cubic measurement inside, but we had extra dirt, so it's a little bit higher. So I'm going to leave that. Maybe when we do the actual planting, I might scoop some of that out, but it looks pretty nice. Once it rains, it'll be all cleaned up. So we're going to move on to cleaning up the other ones over there pre-season. February 26th. It's cold. EAS Landscaping in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Have a great one.